The forum, which brought together local government authorities, is part of a 10 days national sensitization on the importance of gender-based violence, prevention and access to land by women. Aliso is the national coordinator of National Coordinating Organization for Farmers Associations in the Gambia.
As farmers organization, we are very much concerned about the welfare of the farmers in this regard, which has led to the organization of a nationwide campaign on gender violence prevention in our communities.
Mr. So outlined the various issues discussed during the forum, which includes child sexual abuse and women battering, amongst others, which is seriously affecting women in our society.
Issues around cultural barriers are all factors that they have highlighted. The issue of social relationship between families also counts a lot as far as preventing gender-based violence is concerned. So some of the key issues that came on is the child sexual abuse, the battering of women and children, and also the issue of child labor has also appeared in the process. Also the overuse of women and children in our day-to-day activities.
He used the opportunity to call on the government in bringing up the land policy for consideration of the plight of women for increased food production and productivity.
NACOFAG is envisaging and advising that there is the need for the government to work towards bringing up the land policy. We need to formulate, we need to develop the land policy, and then which has to stem down at the level of the grassroots. Farmers has to be on board during the formulation, during the implementation, as well as monitoring of this process. The issues around land is very dynamic in this country. We have the local authority, we have our chiefs, our alkalolu, we have our family settings. All these are issues that needs to consider the plight of women towards food production and productivity.
The Regional Agriculture Director for Lower River Region, Lamin Sanyang, spoke on the impact of gender-based violence in the development of agriculture while calling for ownership and access to land by women.
Women can be productive as well as men. So if we give access to only men, there are some women who are also very productive. So if we deny them access to land, we are losing a lot in our society. So what we will advocate for Mr. So, they have been doing such kind of things and they are long-term partners with us. Even before I come here, we work with them. I think you should not relent until you see to it that women have access to land. And not only access to land, but also have ownership to land.
The Assistant Regional Gender Officer in Mansakonko, Fatoumata Dem, and Filije Gassama, a food processor, both call on a continuous sensitization on the promotion of land ownership by women for enhanced agricultural development in the country. Ousman Baldeh, GRTS News.